Hi children, today we are going to learn 7th class 7th chapter, that is data handling, in that exercise number 7.3 today. So 7.3 is based on the median. This 7.3 is based on the median we are going to learn. Median. So already we know that what is median? Median. The middlemost value of arranged data. The given data we have to check either it is in order or not. It should be in either ascending order or not descending order. The arranged data, middlemost value of arranged data. Middlemost value of arranged data either in ascending order or descending order, and it also depends on the number of observations. In introduction we have learned this clearly. In introduction class we have learned clearly. It also depends on the number of observations. If number of observations are even number, the median is average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. Average of this n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. Those averages we have to take. Suppose for example, if 2, 5, 6, 8, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the middle numbers? You get the middle numbers as a 2 here. That means number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N equal to 6. The median equal to here. We use the formula. Median equal to average in the sense n by 2. Here n equal to 6 in the sense n by 2 equal to, that is 6 by 2, that equal to 3. N by 2 equal to 3. That means 3 by 2, the average of n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 by 2 we have to do. N by 2 is 6th term. Sorry, 6 by 2, that is third term. The third term is 3. N by 2, 3 plus 1, fourth term. These two averages, 6 plus 8 by 2, that is 14 by 2, that is 7. The median is 7 now here. It depends on the number of observations. If number of observations are even, it is a formula to find out the median. If number of observations are odd number, then to formula to find out the median equal to n plus 1 by 2 of the observation. N plus 1 by 2 of the observation is the formula to find out the median. For example, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the median? See, already arranged data. So the median value is 7. So it is a median. Simple. Or not? By using formula n plus 1, n equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N equal to 5. 5 plus 1 by 2. That equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 by 2. That equal to 3. Third observation. Third observation. What is the third observation? The given data 1, 2, 3. This is the third observation. That is 7. 7 is the median of the data. So if number of observations are even number, n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1, average is the median. If number of observations are odd number, n plus 1 by 2 of the observation is called as a median. So this complete introduction we have already learned it. See that sometimes median will be inside of the data, sometimes the median will be the exterior of the data also, which will be not included in the data. Median అనేది ఇచ్చిన నంబర్స్లోనే ఒకటి ఉండాలి ఖచ్చితంగా రూల్ లేదు, ఏదైనా ఉండొచ్చు. సపోజ్ no sorry, median will be always here, like maybe interior of the data, sometimes maybe it not will be interior of the data also. Let's go for here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What will be the median of this? So the median will be n by 2 and comma n by 2 plus 1 of the numbers, we should know it first. And their average we have to find out. Where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 by 2. That is third observation. And n by 2 plus 1. That is in the sense 6 by 2 plus 1. That is equal to 3 plus 1 of the observation. That is fourth observation. Third and fourth observations are these. The average of third plus 4. Number of observations. Sum of observation by number of observations are 2. That is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is 3.5. 3.5 is not in the given data, but the median is 3.5. That means median, it is not like that we have to get from the given data only. ఇచ్చిన డాటాలో నుంచే మీడియన్ రావాలి అని లేదు. 1 to 6 ఏదైనా ఒక నంబర్ రావాలి కదా మీడియన్ అని లేదు. సో మీడియన్ మే గెట్ లైక్ దట్ ఆర్ మీడియన్ మే బి ఇన్సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ది somewhere it is not given in the data also. The median may be in the given data or may not be in the given data also. So this information will help us to do this exercise. Let us go with the problem number 1. Say true or false and why. The difference between the largest and the smallest observation of the data set is called as a mean. No. So the difference between the largest number and smallest number of the data is called mean, it seems. No, it is a false statement. Then what it is called? The difference between largest and smallest observations in a data set is called range. It is called range. Range ante enti the difference between the largest number and smallest number. What is the range of 2, 6, 8, 10, 51, 72, 3. What is the range of this data? Simple. Maximum value of number, maximum value minus minimum value of the data. That is called range. The range of this data is maximum number minus minimum number. Maximum number is here 72 minus minimum number is 2, that is equal to 70. The difference between the largest number and smallest number, maximum largest number, minimum smallest number, the difference between them is called the range. It is called the range. So you can also write this example for this. Okay. So now next, first bit in the second one. So in bar graph, the bar which has greater length may contains mode. Yes, it is a true statement. In a bar graph, suppose you might be seeing the bar graph like this, which has a greater length. This is one. Suppose it is a frequency of the number of chocolates sold. Here 5-star chocolates, Dairy Milk chocolates, Munch chocolates, Snickers chocolates. Which chocolates are sold more? Yes, which chocolates are sold more? The Dairy Milk chocolates sold more. That means in the bar graph, the bar which has greater length, it shows that mode. It shows that mode. So it will be a true statement only. For the true statement, we will not be give any kind of reason also. If it is false, we have to give a reason. Now here, the value of every observation of the data set is taken count when median is calculated. The value of every observation is observed of the data taken into the consideration while finding the median is calculated. No, it is a false statement. Why? The value of the observation is not considered when we will go for calculating median. The value of observation, here I will write reason. The value of the observation, the value of observation in the data set will not be taken into account when median is calculated. When median is calculated, but we will take number of observations. Will not take a value of observation, but will take a number of observation while finding median. Children, this you have to remember very carefully. When counting median, suppose what is the median of this data? What is the median of this data? 5 is the median, simple. Then what is the median of this data now? Even though it is a 5, what is the median? It is a 5. What is the median now? It is a 5. See that the median is not depends on the value of the observation. The 7 unde 70, 170, so 1,70,000, 1,70,000, it's increasing. But even though the median is not changed, median is not depends on the value of the observation. It's only depends on that how many number of observations are there. Any number of observations unnai, 3 observations unnaya, it is a odd number, so n plus 1 by 2 of the observation is the median. If number of observations are even number, n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 of the averages will be like a median. So the number of observations only depends, it's calculate the median, not value of the observations. So value of the observation not affects the median, but the number of observations will be affect the median. Number of observations perugute median change avutadi, number of observations taggina kuda median change avutadi, but the value either whatever the value, the median will not be changed. So next, the fourth one, the median of a set number is always one of the number, maybe or may not be. It is a false statement first. See, the median of the median of a set of a number is always one of his number. No, it is a false statement. It may be the given number in the given data, the median may be in the always the median may be sometimes from the given data, from the given set of the data sometimes it is outside of the data also, outside of the data also, not inside of the data, not in the given data also, not in the given data. Now you can say not in the given data number also not in the given data number also. You can say that these are the 4 true or false and their reasons are the first bit. Now we go for the second question from this 7.3 exercise. See, we have only 5 questions in this. Already first bit we have completed. Let's go for the second question. That is, the monthly income of 7 householders in a village of 1200 rupees, 1500 rupees, 1400 rupees, 1000, 1600, 10,000. Find the median income of householders. Okay, let us find out first one. There are 2 internal questions was asked. Let us see that the monthly income of 7 householders The monthly incomes of 7 householders equal to are the monthly income of 7 householders are equal to, that is 1200 comma 1500 comma 1400 comma 1000 comma 1600 comma 10,000. Find the median. 7 householders. The median income of 7 householders equal to, here n equal to 7. It is nothing but a odd number. Yes, if number of observations are odd number, what is the formula? N plus 1 by 2 of the observation. N plus 1 by 2 of the observations. But we have to do very carefully that the data is not in an order first. This data is not in order. We have to change in order first. Let us write in order first. What we get? 1000. Next we get 1000 again. Next 1200. Next 1400. Next it comes 1500. Next 1600. Then next 10,000. This should not forget. Or not, you will get a different number of the observation. Okay. Then here, if the median income is 7 householders, then the number of observation n equal to 7. It is a odd number. If the number of observations are odd number, this is the formula n plus 1 by 2 of the observation. What is the n value here? 7. 7 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 8 by 2. That is equal to 4th observation. The 4th observation in the data. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1400. This 1400 rupees. The median income of 7 householders. The median income of 7 householders is 1400 rupees. This is the therefore first one. But there is a one more internal question was asked. See, what is that? If one more householder with the monthly income 1500 is added, what will be the median income? If one more householder, rupees 1500 is added, so the data is now, the data become now, so the data become 1000 comma 1200 comma 1400. Here already 1500. Then one more 1500 person is adding here. One more 1500 person is adding, comma 1600 comma 10,000. Now the number of observations. The number of observations now. The number of observations become 8 householders. Now it becoming 8 householders. Before it was only 7 householders, but one more person of 1500 rupees monthly income is added, so it becoming 8 householders. If 8 is an even number, see, n equal to now 8 householders. it is an even number. It is an even number. So to find out the median is equal to, what is the formula of median now? Average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 of the observations. So n by 2 in the sense what? 8 by 2. The average of 8 by 2 and 8 by 2 plus 1 of the observations. Here 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 ones are 2 fours are, that means the average of fourth and 4 plus 1 fifth observations. Okay, fourth and fifth observation of this data now. The fourth and fifth observation of the data, average of fourth and fifth. This is first observation, second, third, fourth and fifth. Let me do it here. Median equal to average no. The average of 1400 plus 1500. Why? 1400 is the fourth observation and 1500 is the fifth observation. Sum of this observation by number of observation, that is called here average of fourth and fifth observation. Average sum of this fourth and fifth observation by number of observation, fourth and fifth, that is 2. So here that is 2900 by 2, 1400 plus 1500. So here 2 ones are 2, here 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 1 left, 2 fives are 10 and 0. So the median amount, median, this will be equal to 1450. The median income of 8 householders equal to 1450. So this is what your answer. See, before when there were only 7 householders, the median income is 1400, because if 7 is a odd number, then n plus 1 by 2 of the observation is the formula to find out the median. So we get fourth observation. The fourth observation from the arranged data, that is 1400. So we get 1400 is the median. But when one more householder of 1500 rupees is added for this data, then the number of observations become a 8 even number. If number of observations are even number, the formula of find out the median is average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 of the observation. That become a fourth and fifth observation average we have to find out. So the average of 1400 plus 1500. Fourth observation is 1400, fifth observation is 1500 by 2. So we got 1450 rupees of the median income of the 8 householders. Now we go for the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 here. So here also in the question number 3 you can understand that how we need to find out the median. Again, see that question number 3. Observations of the data are. Some observations are given of the data. Let us take here the observations of the data. The observations of the data are 16 comma 72 comma 0 comma 55 comma 65 comma 55 comma 10 comma 41. So this is what. So let us arrange in order. The order of the data. Order of the given data equal to first 0, next 10, just 0 completed, 10 completed, next 16. So next After 16 there will be 41. After 41 there is a 55. Next is 65 and 72. So 0, 10, 16, 41, 55 and 55. 55 are both number of times. 55 is 2 times here. 55, 65 and 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, is balanced. So here we got it. This is the given data actually. Let us see what he has. Chaitanya calculated a mode and median without taking 0 into the consideration. Then did Chaitanya do the right thing or not? We have to find out. Chaitanya is a student who calculated mode and median of this data. Mode and median of this data. But 0 he did not consider. 0 is did not consider. And without taking a 0 he calculated mode and median. Then did Chaitanya done correct or wrong? That we have to find out. So how come we know it? If you do it by 0 into the consideration and without 0 into the consideration, which is done by you and which is done by Chaitanya here, compare the answers of median and mode in both the ways, which is done by you with 0, which is done by Chaitanya without 0. Let us check it. Then we will decide either he is doing right thing or wrong. So here the data, the given data, to find out the median, the median of the data, median of the data taking into 0 into the consideration, taking 0 into the consideration, 0 into the consideration of the data. So 0 into the consideration. Then if they are taken into the consideration, then the number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the number of observation, the number of observations n equal to 8. The number of observation n equal to 8. It is a even number. So if you know, if the number of observations are even number, what is the formula to find out the median now? The median equal to average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 of the observation. Here n equal to 8. So average of 8 by 2 and 8 by 2 plus 1 of the observations. 2 ones are 2 fours are. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So the average of fourth and 4 plus 1 fifth observations. What is the fourth and fifth observation in this 0 into taking into consideration? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fourth observation and fifth observation, the average. So the average of fourth observation 41 and 55. Let's find out the average of this both 41 and 55. 41 plus 55 by 2. Sum of the observation by number of the observation. It is 6 and 96 by 2. 1 plus 5 6, 4 plus 5 9. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, 1 carry 2 8, so that equal to 48. So the median equal to 48. Then what is the mode? Okay, mode of the data. Which number is repeating twice? That is number 55 is repeating 2 times in this data. So the mode is 55. Now 0 into the consideration which is done by me, which is actual calculation. Okay, which is done by you write by me. By me in the sense by you people, you have calculated the mean and median by taking 0 into the consideration. Now the median of the data without taking 0 into the consideration. అంటే 0 తీసుకోకుండా the data become now, the data is only 0 will not consider. So 10 comma 16 comma 41 comma 55 comma 65 comma 72. The number of observations n equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that is 7. If 7 is a odd number, what is the formula of median? The median equal to find out the median so here median formula you write yes. The median equal to, what is the formula? N plus 1 by 2 of the observation. N plus 1 by 2 observation is n in the sense here 7. Only 7 observations is taking, 0 is not taking. 7 by 2, 7 plus 1 by 2 of the observation. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 by 2 of the observation. 2 ones are 2 fours are, that is 4th observation. Don't stop your answer right here. The 4th observation is what? 1 2 3 4, that is 55. The median equal to 55. Next the mode of the data, that is equal to 55 only. If 0 is not there, also the mode is also 55. Now you observe, this is done by here Chaitanya. This is Chaitanya's solution, this is your solution. Check the answers. The median is 48 here if you are taking 0 into the consideration. Yes. If 0 is not a consideration, then the median become a 55. Then the modes will be remain the same. So what do you observe? Chaitanya, the mode is correct but not median. Chaitanya calculated, mode is correct. Therefore, Chaitanya calculated mode correct but not median. That means median is wrong. అంటే మీడియన్ రాంగ్గా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేశాడు. మీడియన్ యాక్చువల్గా ఎంత రావాలి? 48 రావాలి. కానీ చైతన్యకి ఎంత వచ్చింది? 55 వచ్చింది. ఎందుకు? 0 తీసుకోలేదు కనుక అప్పుడు నంబర్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ అనేవి 7గా అయిపోయినాయి. యాక్చువల్గా 0 తీసుకుంటే నంబర్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ 8 అవుతాయి. నంబర్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ 8 అయితే 4th అబ్జర్వేషన్ అండ్ 5th అబ్జర్వేషన్ యావరేజ్ తీసుకుంటే మనకు 48 మీడియన్ వస్తుంది. But you have not taken a 0 into the consideration, so the number of observation become only a 7 number. Then the 4th observation of these data, if there is no 0, that is 55, become a median. So here the medians will be changes with taking 0 into the consideration, without taking 0 into the consideration. Hence mode is same. So I have written Chaitanya calculated mode correct but not median. Therefore the median is wrong. That's it, children. Now we go for question number 4. Question number 4. What is the question number 4? See, it's a mind playing question. So we go for the question number 4. This is the second last question of this exercise 7.3. So how many distinct set of 3 positive integers have mean 6, median 7 and no mode? So how many distinct sets of 3 positive integers? Okay, 3 positive integers కావాలి అంట. ఎలా ఉండాలి? The number of observations should be the number of integers. The number of integers, nothing but observations. Number of observations ఎన్ని ఉండాలి అంట? The number of integers, nothing but number of observations equal to only 3 ఉండాలి. Such that it should be have a mean 6. The mean should have 6 and median should have 7 and there should be no mode. No mode means no number should be repeat twice. So such that by satisfy this condition, conditions, to satisfy these 3 conditions, how many numbers we can write? How many set of numbers we can write? That is what is asking. So as he given the number of observations are 3 and mean is given. So let us find out that mean equal to sum of the observations. Sum of the observations by number of the observations. Sum of the observation by number of the observation. Mean equal to, what is the mean here? He given 6, so mean should be 6 Indian. Sum of the observation అది మనకి తెలియదు. So sum of the observations by number of observation. How many number of observations are there? We said there are only 3. So this 3 you transfer this side, that become 6 into 3 equal to sum of the observations. అంటే ఆ 3 ఇంటీజర్స్ ని యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది అని. సమ్ ఆఫ్ 3 observations you can write. Sum of 3 observations. Sum of the 3 observations. The sum of 3 observations. Sum of 3. Sum of the 3 observations. Sum of the 3 observations equal to 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. అంటే ఆ 3 ఇంటీజర్స్ ని యాడ్ చేస్తే 18 రావాలి అంట. ఓకే, such that it should be contains like this. So the set of numbers, therefore the set of integers are, let us see, we'll make it. చూడండి ఎలా చేస్తాం. ఇది సెట్. The median should be 7. అంటే middle number 7 ఉండాలి. ఎందుకంటే 3 observations ఉన్నాయి కనుక middle number must be 7. Then only the median will be 7. But see, when you add the 3 numbers, you should get 18. So here I will write 1 comma 7. That is 18. If I write 10 here, see. Now find out the mean of this data. 1 plus 7 plus 10, that is 18. 18 by 3, because number of observations are 3. 18 by 3 equal to 6. The mean will be 6. With mean find out చేయండి. వీటికి mean find out చేయండి. 1 plus 7 plus 10, sum of this observation. By number of observations 3. Then 18 by 3 equal to 6. Then what is the median? Median is 7, satisfied. Is there any mode? No mode, satisfied. So here I write 2 and here I write 9. See, 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 8, sorry, 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 by there are 3 observations again. The mean is 6, median again 7, and there is no mode. Let us write here 3 and let us write here 8. Let us write here 8 and see. 3 comma 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. By number of observation 3. So the mean of the data will be 6. Then median always, that is 7, hence there is no mode. If you write one more like that, 4 comma 7 comma, what should come here? 7. At this condition, the mean is okay, 6. Median is 7 is okay. What is about the mode? Mode you will get 7. So you should not take this. No number should be repeats. If any number repeats, there will get mode. Mode also number repeated. So how many distinct sets are there? The set of integer. Therefore, there are 3 set of integers are there. Therefore, the 3 there are. Therefore, there are there are 3 set of integers are there. Integers are there. There are 3 set of integers are there that are okay. Already we have written this. There are 3 set of integers are there. That's it. This is what your solution, children. Now we go for the last solution. Question number 5. If you go for the question number 5, you can complete this chapter now. The question number 5. Let us look at that once. So 4 integers are added to the group of integers 3, 4, 5, 5 and 8. And the mean median mode of the mean median mode will be increased by 1. What is the greatest integers in the new group of the integers? Okay. 4 integers are added. Already oka data undi. Aa data ku there is a one data like 3, 4, 5, 5, 8. For this data, they added 4 more numbers. Inko 4 numbers add chesadu ee 5 numbers. Already there are 5 numbers. Again 4 numbers are added here. So what happens if you add the numbers? The mean median mode will be increases. So here also happened the same thing. The mean median mode is increased by 1, 1, 1. Then, so we added 4 numbers now here. In that, what is the greatest integer in the group of data? We added 4 numbers now. In that, what is the greatest number? We have to find out. Okay, first of all, the given data. First of all, the original data. The original data, the first data. The first data is the given first data is 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 5 comma 8. This is the first original data. There are 5 number of observations. Now we will find out the mean median mode of this, and we will add 4 more numbers of this. Inka 4 numbers we add chedam. Appudu mean median mode vachindi. So accordingly we will find out the answer. So the mean of the data now. Mean equal to, what you get a mean for this? Sum of the numbers by number of numbers. Number of numbers. The sum of the numbers 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 8 by number of observations are 5. So let us add this all. What will get? Let us see. Here 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 3, that is 25 by 5, 5 is a 5 is a. Therefore, mean equal to 5. Let's find out the median. The median equal to the middlemost number of value. So here the median, if you want to find the number of observations are odd number. So n plus 1 by 2 of the observation, because here n equal to 5, it is a odd number. Number of observations are odd number. So we have done this. So n equal to what here? N equal to 5. It is a odd number, so we have used it. So here 5 plus 1 by 2 of the observation. 5 plus 1 by 2 in the sense 6 by 2 of the observation. 6 by 2 of the observation. 2 ones are 2 3s are. That is third observation of the data. Third observation of the data. Third observation of the data is 1 2 3. That is also a 5. Therefore the median equal to also 5. The median is also equal to 5. Next we go for mode. The most frequently number in the given data, that is 5. 2 times it is repeating. So the mean median mode of this given data, original data, is 5 5 5. If we add 4 more integers, if we add 4 more integers, if we add 4 more integers, then mean median mode will be increases by 1. Then mean median mode, median and mode increases by 1 each. So what are the, let us add now the new group of data, the new data now, the new group of data, the new group of data. After we are adding 4 numbers already. If I 9 को 4 ने add चला. So here what are that? 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 5 comma 8. Here we have to add 4 numbers. Here they are adding 4 numbers. What are the 4 numbers they are adding? As we don't know what 4 numbers they are adding here. Okay. Let us keep like that boxes, empty thing. But as given that mean median mode is increased by 1. But according to the problem, the mean is 5 plus 1, that equal to 6. The mean is 6 now. A median also is a 5 before plus 1. It is 6. Now mode, that also 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Now mean median mode becomes 6 6 6. Because when we are adding 4 more integers, inko 4 integers ikkada add chesam. 1 2 3 4. Then the mean median mode increased by 1 1 1. It is now 5 5 5. It becomes now 6 6 6. So clearly it is the mode is 5 here because 5 is repeating 2 times. Now the mode is 6. That means if 6 repeats 2 times, the mode become a 5 and 6 because 5 is repeating 2 times, 6 is repeating 2 times. So the 6 has to be repeat 3 times. 6 has to be repeat the 3 times. 6 has to be repeat 3 times. Then the mode is 6. Here it is satisfy the condition. Here it is satisfy the condition. Mode equal to 6. That means the 6 should be repeat 3 times. Now the remaining one more number. What about that? That let us assume like a x. X unfold up, sir. That you assume like a x now. Now we do that. We'll find out the x. We'll find out the x now. So we go for now. What we do it? Mean equal to mean of new group of data. New group of data. That equal to what? Sum of these observations. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus x with us we don't know that is by 1 2 3 4 5. It is the last data, original data. 1, 2, 3, 4 again. 5 plus 4, that is 9. The number of observations are 9 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. By grabbing 9. The mean of the new data is 6 already given. The mean is given 6. That equal to, let us add this all. Already we added 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 10, 17 plus 8, 25. 25 plus 6, 31. 31 plus 6, 37. 37 plus 6, 43. 43 plus here there is a 1x by 9. This 9 will transfer this side. So 6 into 9 equal to 43 plus x. 6 9s are 54. That equal to 43 plus x. But we need x value now. This 43 will transfer this side. So 54. This plus 43 become a minus 43. That equal to x. Therefore, the x equal to, you get here 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. X equal to 11. X equal to what? 11 now. That means, that is 11. Now, the new group of integers are, 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 5 comma 8 comma 6 comma 6 comma 6 comma, the last x value is 11. The 4 integers which we added, what are the 4 integers we are added here? These are the 4 integers we are added. The 4 integers which we are added are, what are that? 6 comma 6 comma 6 and 11. These are the 4 integers we are added to this data. Actually ఇది ఒరిజినల్ డేటా. దీనికి ఈ 4 ఇంటీజర్స్ ని యాడ్ చేశారు. 6 comma 6 comma 6 and 11 ని. So the mean median mode became increased by 1. From the mode we got already 3 numbers, that is 6 6 6. మోడ్ ను బేస్ చేసుకొని మోడ్ 6 ఉండాలి. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మోడ్ 6 ఉంది. The 6 should be repeat 3 times. Already 5 is 2 times is there. More than 5 number of times. 5 is repeating 2 times. So 6 should be repeat 3 times. Then only the mode will be 6. By taking mean here, mean equal to sum of this observation by number of observations. Then you will get one more integer, that is 11. Now these are the 4 integers which we are added to the data. Are 6 comma 6 comma 6 and 11. From this what he asked, what is the greatest integer in the new group of the integers? In this, what is the greatest integer in this new group of the integers? It's a new group of integer now. In this, what is the greatest number? Therefore the greatest number in new group of integers is 11. Is it 11? The greatest number is 11 in the new group of the integers. So this is what our question number 5 solution. We have completed the exercise 7.3 successfully. I hope you understood this exercise or not. Watch once again to be understand in the better way. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.